bestie right here to seal all your crystals, so then they will never catching on your hairs again. So we're gonna seal on the metals like charms, and then you go around with the crystal. And if you are getting a scratchy, you feel scratchy, he's gonna squeeze that much. Little go a long way. And then sometimes you see me using on the other end, but unscrew this, is going to be on the other ends with all the precision brush in there, so you can use it with latchers. Is a metal piece, so you can definitely go back again. You feel scratchy and the clients like run through their hairs and they're still feeling scratchy and then stuck their hairs in there. You can definitely seal it more. Next time you're going to squeeze that much. You don't want to do too much. It's going to flood your crystals. Also, make sure you clear between the each time that you are going to seal. About 30 seconds to just give it like a little clear first before you do it as another sealing again, because you don't want it to flood it and you don't want it to get really like lumpy when it finished. So you make sure that you seal. And then since you remember that I just really like tapered all the Diamond Dust Pixie in it. It looks really cool and it stays really tight together. So then it's not only you feel texture only, but you don't feel all the pixie catching on the hairs or anything at all. So here for 60 seconds of this beauty, I like seals around the nails, the pixie already. So then they are really is minimum chance of getting or coming off easy. So don't lose this red cap. This one will protect your precision glue gels so much better. I'm gonna clean this one for a quick seconds. And then this one. Oh my god, this is cute and it's so quickest. This is